Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new chapter. Chapter 7, The Climate of India. Students, before we start this chapter, we should know the important terms. There are two important terms, that is weather and climate. What is weather? How is weather described? Weather is a atmospheric condition of a particular place at a particular time. And climate, what is climate? Climate is a average weather condition of a place observed over a long period of time. Students, then what is weather? Weather is a condition of a place at a particular time. Understood? Now, students, the countries of the world can be divided into different climatic zones based on factors such as location, then surface relief, surface wind and upper air circulation. Okay, based on factors, that is relief, location, surface relief, then surface wind and upper air circulation. Okay, students, and you know India is being a vast country. It covers the vast area of South Asia. Roughly it lies between 8 degree north to 37 degree north. Students, the weather condition, the climatic zone of India is mainly divided into 4 divisions. Okay, the climatic zone of India is divided into 4 divisions. So, before learning the climatic zone of India, we should learn what are the zones, what is the climatic zone of world. So, let us see the board. This is a world. This is the world and it is divided into different climatic zones. You can see there are 6 climatic zones. Mainly there are 3 climatic zones, but it is divided the world into 6 parts. Okay, then you can see sunlight. Sunlight is the prime factor for the division of this zone. See, different temperature is provided by the sun in different places, and you see all these are the parallel lines are latitudes. See the latitudes, the middle latitude is 0 degree, that is equator. Then 23.5 degree north, that is Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree south, that is Tropic of Capricorn. 66.5 degree north, that is Arctic Circle. 66.5 degree south, that is Antarctic Circle. And see 90 degree north, that is North Pole. 90 degree south, that is South Pole. And now see the tropical zone. tropical zone lies between 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degree south, and the temperate zone that lies between 23.5 degree to 66.5 degree north and south, and the polar zone lies between 66.5 degree north to 90 degree north, and in the south 66.5 degree south to 90 degree south. So the climatic zones are divided in this form. So students, what I told, India being a large country, it does not fit into any one zone. Okay, it does not fit into any one zone. And what I said to you, it is situated roughly between 8 degree, that is here, 8 degree north to 37 degree north, and it can be divided mainly four climatic zones. Students, that is what for today. Tomorrow we will learn the different climatic zones of India. Goodbye.